Bitcoin volatility in fiat, i.e. the US dollar Bitcoin price, is actually a much better reflection of day-to-day volatility than anything we've ever seen before. Because, like, frankly, your mood shifts from the moment you wake up till the moment you go to bed. And, you know, the very recent drawdown in the last week, like the US dropping bombs on Iran, did anyone see that coming in June of 2025? It wasn't in my playbook for this year, that's for sure. And everyone's scared, because what does that mean for markets? What does that mean for supply chains? What does that mean for commodities? What does that mean for everything? Well, you don't know. And therefore, everyone's a bit scared, and the price comes off. What a surprise. So the idea of a stable price is actually very similar to your first point, a lie. Like, why should a price be stable? Yes, a customer would like a stable price, or an economic participant would like a stable price when it comes to planning for the future. And hence you have futures markets, right? You've got the guy who's creating the grain. You've got the person who's creating the bread. Do you know what? In a year's time, I'd really like to know what my cost of grain is going to be. So I'm going to fix a futures contract right now with you, and you get some money now, and I get to pay you later. It makes sense, right? That's why derivative markets even got created.
Yeah, I'm selling the volatility out of my business and out of the market that I'm participating in. I'm selling the volatility out of it. I mean, I've had the option to, in one of my businesses, to go hourly, or to go just like piecemeal, or just like as I do it, as I accomplish tasks, I get paid. And I go, if I strip the volatility out of it, okay, I can much better predict what I'll make on an hour by hour basis. But because I'm experienced in business and I know that volatility is life, I know what they're doing is they're going to take, I don't know, a 30%, a 40% haircut off the total revenue that I bring in. And I'm going to get, a predicted amount of money. Well, you know, and it's really interesting. Like, you have like Bob Burnett and his company that is in the ocean pool of mining, and other Bitcoin mining pools or other major mining pools, they're paying, I think, per share. So they're paying for hash rate, so the income is very predictable.